you doing it?
Yep.
Here, Smiley. There you go. Here.
Good girl, Smiley. Good girl. You're doing a really good job, Nora. Tell me when you're getting low, and then we'll switch with you and your brother.
There you go, Smiley.
Excellent job, Nora. She's not even leaving anymore. Good job, Smiley. You getting close?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll call her down here, and then you can go up and get your brother. Explain the process to him. And I'll... Don't look at her. Oh, don't move yet. Don't move yet.